toys! Can we go inside, Mom?
We can look for a little while, sweetie.
I want that one. This pink sweater is the best one yet!
It certainly is. We'll take it.
I've never seen clothes for birds. With a smile, the kitten shared the fluffy pom-pom sweater.
This might fit you. The bird tried it on, and they both laughed at how cute it looked. From that moment on, they were the best of friends, always helping each other out, whether it was picking out the cutest clothes or... As they walked through the mall together, the kitten spotted a colorful toy car on display. The bird, now feeling braver, pointed excitedly at the toy.
Let's check it out!
The kitten and the bird took turns pushing the toy car, giggling as it sped across the floor. Suddenly, a little squirrel came running up to them, her fur all messy and her eyes wide with excitement.
I saw that car race by. Can I play too?
With a nod, the kitten handed the squirrel the toy car.
Your turn! Wow! Look how fast the car is going! Let's catch it!
The kitten's heart swelled with happiness as it realized how much fun they were having together. After a while, they all decided to take a break at the food court, sharing snacks and laughing. The bird turned to the kitten and said,
This has been the best day ever!
The kitten and bird exchanged a glance, knowing this friendship was just beginning.
On their way out, the kitten and bird waved goodbye to their new friends, promising to meet again soon. As they walked home, the kitten couldn't stop smiling. It had made so many wonderful new friends. The kitten felt proud that it had helped make so many animals' day brighter.
When they got home,
How was the shopping trip?
it was amazing! I got so many treats and a new toy.
The kitten excitedly told Cat Mom all about the new friends it made and the fun day they had. You made new friends today! That's wonderful! The kitten curled up on its bed that night, thinking about all the fun adventures it had. As the kitten drifted off to sleep, it knew that tomorrow would bring even more fun adventures. The kitten's dreams were filled with colorful adventures, and it couldn't wait for the next one. And so, the kitten's heart was full of joy, knowing that every day could bring a new friendship and adventure.
As the adventure comes to an end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and heartwarming stories.